Good morning to you. I'd like to talk on the issue in the UK of Muslim wanting Sharia law in the UK. Well, surprised me of hearing that Muslim wanting Sharia law in the UK because UK is not a Muslim country. It is still a Christian country, though there are many converts in UK, but the number of Muslim in UK is still a minority. So, so why should a Muslim want Sharia law in UK when they know they are only a minority? And no wonder this create problems in the country where people opposing even label the Muslim as a radical Muslim. So as a Muslim, I feel bad being labeled a radical Islam. So we should look after the good name of Islam and should not be making ourselves into a problem. Being called radical is already creating a problem to us, being disliked and also it caused some authority in UK to send back some of the radical Muslim back to their own country of origin, and in the end they are not happy to go back to their country of origin. So that create an issue where it cause problem to themselves. Why making the trouble of wanting Sharia law when the Muslim are not the majority in the country? So I believe the real Muslim, the true Muslim would not even think of asking for Sharia law to be in UK. So I can only say that the people who ask for Sharia law in a country where they are not the majority are the troublemakers, not the real good Muslim. So they are, of course, among the community of Muslim, there are bad apples, the troublemaker. And on page 3 of the Quran, it is mentioned that there are people who call themselves Muslims, believers. Actually, they are not real believers. They are non-believers, but only pretending to be believers. And these are the people mentioned in the Quran that like to damage, doing damage to themselves and doing damage to the others. So, but they are minority, not the majority. So the authority in UK should not be concerned with them because there are only few of the bad apples in the Islamic community. I think that's all I want to say on the issue of Sharia law in UK. So majority of Muslims are not supporting Sharia law in UK, where the majority are non-Muslim. But they can dream of it, but keep it to themselves. No need to express or wanting Sharia law in the country where the majority are non-Muslim. Of course, it create uncomfortableness to them. So be careful also not to cause problem in the country, which let you into trouble, like being deported back to your own country, which you don't like. So, like a country in like in a country where the minority are Muslim, if they want to practice Sharia law, they still can do it, but in matters of marriage, divorce, family disputes, on a small thing like this, they just go to a Muslim law expert, and I think country like Australia, they have this uh, Muslim judge where they can settle the disputes on matters of marriage, divorce, but on overall the civil law of the country is still in use. Thank you for being with me. Salam.